This is part 3 for the logo design for Spirited Navigators. At this point, we've done the logo design concept sketch, we have done our first phase of design, and this is adding modifications based on feedback from the first round. Now, the first bit of feedback was to actually create the backpack, the longer shaped backpack that was in my original sketch, as opposed to the globe made into a backpack, which was the feedback we incorporated for the first round of designs. Now here you can see me building, and then dragging the wings over from the existing logos, recreating the fonts and the arrows, and cutting those out so they're the shorter arrows, taking that navigational wheel idea out, adding in 7 arrows now to represent the 7 continents, and aligning those, and just cutting out the shapes and getting everything ready. And then I'm adding text in again. I begin playing a little bit with the fonts, but really the majority of my playing around is going to happen with the backpack. So here I am placing the map that I had created for the round version onto the more elongated version, using a clipping mask to clip that out, and then playing around with different colors, with different variations of the gradient, making some new straps. There's a lot going on here. I mean, this entire video probably took over an hour of work for me to manually do it step by step. It goes a lot faster when it's in time lapse. So here we've got the globe, then I am adding some dimension to the arrows manually just by offsetting a duplicate of each arrow and then adding in the missing piece to the dimensional element. And then I'm playing around a little more with gradients and with the stroke color and with the pocket color to see what feels best. And so I end up creating 2 of these concepts, one with more of a green and blue, although a more subdued green and blue than the initial backpack globe concept that I had presented. And then I will create another variation coming up next where I make it more of a blue and a blue-gray. And the gray was something that my clients really liked from one of the other videos. And in that video, those more subdued colors seems to make the image pop and seems to make more of a statement than, the brighter colors. And so we're going through at this point and creating these concepts with more variation of font to make the font stand out more. Again, I'm presenting these concepts on both a white background and a dark background because I do provide those files for my clients so that they have the versatility of using their mark wherever and whenever they like, and knowing that it's going to look great no matter where we place it. So this is the end of round 3, part 3 of this video series. You are welcome to watch the previous 2 videos if you like. From here, again, I will gather feedback from my clients and make revisions and edits and continue to refine our direction so that everyone's happy. This is Mellie from magicwithmellie.com. Thanks for listening.